Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and do I have some exciting news for those of you who have the Sony's WF1000XM3s. Sony just recently released a firmware that addresses some of the defects that we found when connecting to Windows desktops or laptops. Let's get right to it and see what's improved. Now, I'm sure those of you who have the Sony WF1000XM3s would agree that these are one of the best true wireless earbuds on the market. They have great bass, great audio quality, they have great battery life, they also have noise canceling, and they have decent call quality. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at this firmware upgrade and see what's improved. We're going to do a call quality test, and I'm going to give you my impressions on how things have improved. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, taking a look at the release notes, this is what Sony's indicated as part of the changes. So as we look at here, improved connectivity to Windows 10 PCs, and we've heard a lot of you comment that in the comment area that you had some difficulties maintaining a connection if you're connected to a laptop or a PC. It says that there's improvements in other functions, and it gives us some details that it's going to take around 30 minutes to do the update. So this is a major update. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through our series of tests. We will then use that as a baseline. We'll do the upgrade, and then we'll see what the experience is there. Let's go ahead and do it. Now, this is a call quality test in a noisy environment, coffee shop environment, using the Sony WF1000XM3s. As you can see down here, the decibel level readings range anywhere from an average of 30 decibels all the way up to 80 decibels. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch from the normal environment to the Sonys to see what they sound like.
Now this is what the sound quality would sound like from the Sony WF1000XM3s. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, test.
Now in this test, we're going to test the firmware version 1.30 and see if there was any improvement on the call quality. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Sony WF1000XM3s.
Now this is what the call quality would sound like on the Sonys after the 1.30 update. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. Let me know what you think about the call quality in the comment area.
So what did you think about the call quality of version 1.30? Let me know in the comment area below. Now, as far as the other features, let's talk about audio playback, music playback. From a music playback, I tested the exact same songs that I tested last time when I did the unboxing and I did my initial reviews, as well as my subsequent tests. The audio quality continues to be great. Fantastic bass, mids and highs, the immersion experience, the soundstage, everything was great. I didn't really notice any changes, but if you've noticed changes, I'd like to hear from you. Now, from a transparency, I'm actually wearing them right now, and I have the transparency mode on. And just like before, I don't really see an elevated transparency mode, meaning that it's elevating or enhancing what I hear. What I do hear is my voice in a very natural way. So I do hear myself, I'm clear, but it's not improved. It hasn't heightened my ability to hear in transparency mode. Some of you may like that, and as I mentioned in my previous videos, I like to be able to bump up the audio so that I can hear a little bit better everything that's going around me. But right now it's very natural and it doesn't sound digital at all. Now, the last thing we'll talk about is the noise cancellation. Now, the noise cancellation features, in my opinion, I haven't noticed any differences. Next week, I'll be on a plane. I'll be testing things out to see how they sound on a plane. But in this environment, I haven't really noticed any significant differences. Now, the big difference I will say, which is highlighted in this update, is the connectivity to Windows 10. Connected to Windows 10, no issues, no break of connection, and also I didn't experience any difficulties in pairing. So what I did is I disconnected everything and I repaired the device as if it was a new device, and pairing went well. Playback with no lag or latency or sync, nothing present both on the Windows machine as well as any of my other devices. So I hope this helps you with the new firmware update coming from Sony. This is version 1.3. It addresses specifically, in my opinion, the Windows connectivity. And as far as other areas, I don't know if there's many changes. They do say that there's performance enhancements, but I haven't seen them yet. If you've experienced anything that you'd like to share on the channel, please do. See you in the next one.